What's up guys, and welcome to a special edition on Trinidad channel. I'm here in Tobago for the Tobago Cycling Classic. This event is an event that's been running for a very long time and is actually an event my father puts on. So he's invited Stephanie and I to come across and do some recording and filming for them and make a nice video to help encourage tourism to the island, as well as get people to recognize this very special event. So we're here on day one, but let me pass you over to my father and some of his team to give you a little more of a rundown. We'll continue to show you all the action over this 3-day event. Now normally it's actually a much longer event, but due to the 2 years of COVID, everything came to a standstill, much like everything else in life in Trinidad and Tobago. So now we're hoping to reignite it to bring cyclists and tourists back to Tobago. So check it out.
Hi, my name is Jeffrey Charles. I am the chairman and organizer of the Tobago International Cycling Classic. Welcome to Tobago. We are looking forward to 4 days of exciting competitive cycling on our gem of an island, Tobago. So this is the 34th anniversary of the event. Of course, we had a 2-year break and we are looking forward to coming back on track on the international calendar of cycling. We have a lot planned for the cyclists, sponsors and officials. As I say, we are looking forward to an exciting 4 days of cycling. Keep tuned to Facebook, Tour of Tobago Facebook page. We're going to have lots of updates.
I'm Clayton Clark. Welcome to the 2022 Tobago International Cycle Classic. We are ready for stage 1, and that race gets underway at Shaw Park next to the Scarborough Secondary School. The Division 1 cyclists will make 10 laps, Division 2 5 laps, and the Division 3 riders 2 laps. Enjoy the race.
2, 1, let's go guys, good luck. Division 1 on the way. Tobago International Cycling Classic 2022 is on its way.
Victory today, as you look ahead to tomorrow, stage 2 and the Tour of Tobago. How does this win prepare you, or what frame of mind it puts you into heading into tomorrow?
Yeah, now people know we're not here for fun anymore, so they're going to be looking at us a bit more and know how strong we are. So we're going to kind of have to display our cards and see how it goes.
At the end of stage 1, the 2022 Tobago International Cycle Classic. Look forward to see you on day 2, stage 2.
Right, congratulations, man.
We are here at the car park in Wilson Road for stage 2 of the 2022 Tobago International Cycle Classic. It's speed, it's laps, round the circuit here in Scarborough. You don't want to miss it. Stay tuned.
They are off, ladies and gentlemen, 50 grueling wraps around downtown.
Stage 2 Division 1 has just been completed, 50 laps here in Scarborough, and Gabriel Mendez of Team Pharmaco out of the US, he was the winner. Gabriel, congratulations. Tell us about this grueling 50 laps. Heat, quick, how things went.
On the start line, it started to get a little bit gray up in the sky. I felt some rain, so it was a little bit worried. But as we started going, it got hot, especially on this hill on the backside. And it was just attack, cover, from the Blazers team was really going at it. But it came to the last 10 laps and my teammate attacked, went for the points, and I countered off of that and ended up being able to stay away solo for the end of the race. And yeah, it was a hard one.
As the words of Gabriel Mendez, Team Pharmaco, Stage 2, 2020 Tobago International Cycle Classic. Stay tuned for Stage 3, the Tour of Tobago. Join us from 7 a.m. on Sunday. We are ready for the third day of action here at the 2022 Tobago International Cycle Classic. Today the action culminates with the Tour of Tobago, 120 kilometers right around Tobago, starting right here at the Scarborough Esplanade. Cyclists make their way right around this island of Tobago and will come back here to finish. Stay tuned for all the action, all the results. Enjoy. After 120 kilometers of riding around Tobago, Johnny Brown prevailed. Johnny Brown, Team Miami Blazers of the USA.
We knew it was going to be pretty hard, and we knew the two Colombians were going to climb much better than us. And they started making it really hard like as soon as we hit the climbs, but I just started riding my own pace because it's a long day, especially on the steep climbs. I can't go that fast.
So we have come to the end of the 2022 Tobago International Cycling Classic. Hope you have enjoyed it. We enjoyed bringing you all the action. 3 stages of this year's edition. We look forward to your support in 2023.
All right, and congratulations to you, my brother.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you.
I want to thank all the teams, cyclists, providers, including the police, TEMA, our officials, our Trinidad and Tobago Cycling Federation, Barbados Cycling Union, and all others, the media, our camera personnel, and Red Cross. Thank them for everybody making a major contribution to the success of this event over the last 4 days.
We've come to the end of the 2022 Tobago International Cycling Classic. We hope you have enjoyed our coverage. Stay tuned for next year. It's going to be bigger and better.